Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another episode of Bowl or Brown Out Loud. If you're new here, well, this is a podcast that you can't miss because we relive stories from our lives in the most fun and lighthearted way possible. I'm your host, Sania.
एंड आई एम योर को होस्ट अनम हमेशा मुझे अपनी जगह बनानी पड़ती है यहाँ On the first and third Tuesday of every month, we've been bringing you stories rooted in our brown experiences. Whether it's a wild adventure, a quirky character, or a kahani mein twist, we are sharing stories that are making you lol. So let's continue with the tradition and let's get this episode started.
Today's episode is about taking trips with your friends. क्योंकि यारों के साथ trips तो बनती हैं. क्यों अनम?
Sanya. Ria Kapoor, please contact Sanya for fodder for your what was that? Veere movie? Seriously, Sanya. Like
Well, Anam, if you're going that route, if you're going the Bollywood route, let me just throw in a rumor and gossip that I think Zoya Akhtar's movie Jile Zara is delayed, not because people don't have dates, but because they don't have the masala they need from my life. So yeah, Zoya Akhtar, you contact me.
Oh my god, this is where narcissism starts. But anyway, सानिया ख्याली पुलाव बनाना तो तुमसे कोई सीखे यहाँ सब्सक्राइब करने में हम लोग से पूछते हैं और ये जोया अख्तर पे एम कर रही हैं.
That's the only kind of pulao I can make, by the way.
True that. Speaking of making stuff up, which is your forte, what stories come to mind when you think of friends trip? दोस्तों के साथ.
I had a bunch, but I know that now that we're talking about Khayali Pulao, I'm thinking of, I'm going to share a food related story.
Of
Are you
course.
ready? Okay. So I live in the Midwest, and sometimes when you're traveling nearby, we don't have a lot of like nice things to eat in the nearby places because that's not what the place is offering. And a friend of mine was coming from India and she wanted to do a road trip in the countryside. So we were like, okay, we'll do that. And she was trying for a really American experience of like sandwiches and marshmallows and singing by the fire and all those things, but instead we gave her chole that we had prepared beforehand, papad instead of marshmallows.
तो साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
Oh my god, Sanya, I can't believe I'm related to you. Like you're that auntie who gets greasy food on the road trip. Like जो ट्रेन में नहीं होती कि पूरी सब्जी भी है, रायता भी लाई हूँ,
Yes.
लड्डू भी है. You, Sanya, like no one lend your car to Sanya. It'll be chola stricken. But yeah, Sanya, actually, speaking of food, remember when we went to the US for the first time, and one of the things on the itinerary that Seher had put was a beach trip, like a beach picnic. So we had taken out our clothes, like, oh, going to the beach, and obviously we had envisioned that सब चीज़ जो हम लोग ने बचपन से हॉलीवुड में देखी थी, we thought we will finally live it. और जब हम लोग gorgeous Monterey Beach पे गए, खाना खुला. There was biryani and raita and salad, not to mention. And we were like, "What?"
Anam, you had two servings. You complained the most and had a bunch of biryani.
Because I was eating my emotions. So next time when Seher invites you for a picnic, Seher and Sani have chole and biryani to offer.
No one can beat the biryani on the beach, yeah. That was another level.
That should be a series. Watch out, Coffee with Karan. We are one step ahead of biryani on the beach.
Yeah.
क्यों
Okay.
तुम जोया
Okay.
अख्तर ट्राई कर सकती हो तो मैंने भी सोचा मैं करण जौहर को ट्राई करूं. हैशटैग.
Anam Bichari hashtag pe ruk gayi. Anyway, let's come back to Friends Trip and discuss some Friends Trip observations. So, Anam, on a Friends trip, there is always that one person who is like in charge in a group, and they will do the planning and the bookings. And FYI, I love those friends. They have the full itinerary, Google Sheets. I live for that. Like, I live for that friend.
So basically, you're blowing your own trumpet because you are that friend. And you were like, why don't I
No.
just recognize myself with 5, 6 XLs and said, guys, did you see the tab? The one which we are is green and the one which is in yellow and the one in red is all the plans I cancelled and the ideas that are not allowed. Yeah. Like I should send sympathy cards to your friends whoever have gone on a trip with you.
I'm not that friend, FYI.
You're not that friend, but you're always mentoring another person कि एक लिस्ट बनाओ उसको लाल पीला नीला करो और सबके अलग folders बनाओ. You're that friend, Nasanya. Oh
You
my
know what,
god.
Annam? I think you are that friend who is always like, let's go with the flow. And that
Duh.
friend has done no homework and is going to derail your day.
But she's the most fun to hang around with, right?
No, if
So
you want to go with the flow, do your homework and come. Don't derail the whole day.
the definition of the flow is not having to do homework beforehand. But I have other types of friends. Okay.
Okay.
There's one friend who's always like with excess baggage, like backpack भी है पर्स मतलब डी शेप हो गया है क्योंकि उसमें चीजें ऐसी भरी हुई हैं कि बाहर से निकल रही हैं literally. And it is these type of friends that have nothing on the trip. ये क्रीम मिलेगी, अरे सनस्क्रीन है, and I'm like बैग में क्या है
Shampoo
तुम्हारे
milega.
यहाँ? I mean, और ये
Yes.
भी नहीं कि कपड़े हैं, like most of their photos are with one outfit which everyone complimented, so they continued wearing that. Wash and dry and wear it. तो I'm like यार बैग में क्या है?
You know, like I went with a friend once on a hiking trip and she had this huge bag. And I was like, okay, she's prepared. And when we reached the top of the peak, I was like, now I'm going to eat my food. Like the two protein bars that I was carrying and thinking about that was like pushing me through the hike. And she had bought no food. And I was like, dude, what's in your bag? That huge bag. And she was like, oh, bear knives for a bear attack. Like random things. If an intruder comes, some kind of rope. And I was like, do you even know how to use these things? Like she had all this like worst case scenario stuff with her and no food. The thing she knew she needed.
Because Sanya, your friend knows that when you don't get food, you become a bear. You attack people. So she was trying to save her life. So yeah, I have sympathies for that friend of yours.
Yeah, that is true. If I'm hungry, I'm cocaine bear. So
But
yes.
but there's always this one person, and I hate to admit that I'm sometimes that person that when
Sometimes.
the thing is when someone is a group is hangry or like we're walking in the scorching heat or bus chhoot gayi or whatever, and from nowhere this person would be like, it's all about the memories, guys, like this is such an adventure.
Delusional. Let's call her delusional
So you're
friend.
calling me delusional. Perfect. Anyone who has slight positivity, Sanya calls them delusional. Okay, so there's always one kind of a friend that wants to try every single immunity. Like, that's me.
That's you. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, somehow my friend and I, who were backpacking across the south, got lucky and we got one day in a five-star hotel. So we were like, you only live once. So we went to the bathroom and we were just putting all the creams and using all the soaps and just like, this is heaven. And then we heard some voices. And when we came out, we saw that there were five little monkeys jumping on our bed.
Wow. Nobody has had that experience with that song.
And then they were like picking up stuff, throwing, and we were screaming on top of our voices, and so the whole staff came to help us. And this one monkey picked up a bag and leaped across the room and went on a treetop, and I was like, oh my god, my bag. And that guy was like, what is in that bag? And I was like, jewelry. And my friend was like, her jewelry. And so obviously this guy just risked his life, leaped off the balcony, jumped on that monkey, snatched that bag, came back panting and said, ma'am, can you check if your gold and silver is intact? I was like, is this a good time to tell him that when I said jewelry, I meant Linking Road or Kulava ki 150 ke necklaces?
Junk jewelry. It is even sold as junk. It's called junk jewelry.
I was like, I'll check later for security reasons. I'm so embarrassed.
You're like, it's in my safe. Yeah. So you are the friend who tries every single amenity, and you could have said, I'm trying the safe of the hotel.
Yeah, but I stopped wearing junk jewelry because I realized that monkeys and I had the same taste in jewelry.
Talking about jewelry, I once had a friend, and also packing, so it connects two things. I once had a friend who came to Dubai without a wallet.
That's an intelligent friend.
And Nana, that didn't stop her from shopping. She shopped on borrowed money, even bought gold on borrowed money. And I was like, man, cannot fight with this one because I need to see my money back.
That's a good technique, सानिया। अरसों से जो तुम्हारे कर्जे थे उसने आके चुका दिया। कहा आज मैं नहीं लाई हूँ अपना वॉलेट, अब मुझे बहुत जरूरी चीज खरीदनी है, सोना।
Every time she was picking something, I was like, damn, she wants these earrings too.
Speaking of that, Sanya, always like we go on a friend's trip and we'll split the bill. We split the bill, and halfway through the trip, someone's eating more than the other person, and there's this silent
What do you
psychology.
mean, Anam?
Yeah, like Sanya, if you were in my friends group and you ordering two desserts, and I'd be like, didn't sign up for that. So yeah, there's always this
You're
silent
so
war
cheap.
happening. Yeah, duh. That's what friends trip is about. Cheap people getting together to pretend that they are in like White Lotus expedition. Speaking of White Lotus, like sets the bar really high, right?
I know. I sent it to my friends and I said, can we do this on our 70th birthday? Like, if we start saving from today, will it be possible to have a trip like this in 30 years?
Yeah, then you'll be the person who will die at the end of the series, the old person.
I'm okay dying in a White Lotus type
Sorry
resort.
for the spoilers, everybody. But yeah, I'm just trying to find ways that Sanya can.
Can die?
Yeah,
Well, if I
definitely.
die in a murder, you know who the prime suspect is going to be. We have
Your
her on
friend who was
air.
carrying your friend who was carrying the bear knife. Yeah.
Yeah, man, she had all kinds of knives. I was just like so shocked.
Okay, I just had a realization, Sanya, that I still have a lot of years to go. And now that I've alienated my chole and biryani sister, I shouldn't do that for my friends. And so, dear friends, I still love you. Trip pe mujhe zarur le jana. And for that, we will transition to kissa time.
All right, listener, this is a long kissa, so listen intently. अगर आप उन लोगों में से हैं जिनकी ग्रुप चैट में हमेशा ये डिस्कशन चलता रहता है कि लेट्स डू अ फ्रेंड्स ट्रिप टू गोवा यार, एक ट्रिप तो बनती है, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, गुड लक विद दैट बिकॉज दैट ट्रिप ain't gonna happen, girl. However, if by some stroke of luck आप कैटेगरी नंबर 2 में हैं, जहां आपकी गोवा की ट्रिप एक्चुअली मटेरियलाइज हो गई है और आप गोवा जाने वाले हैं, this story is specifically for you. So listen intently. Here are the top 5 learnings that I want to impart to you so that you don't make the mistakes that we did. All right, lesson number 1. Please research how big Goa is. That's right. हम लोगों ने जब पहली बार अपनी ट्रिप की, गोवा की पहली और इकलौती ट्रिप टू गोवा, वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद अ ग्रुप ऑफ 5 फ्रेंड्स, गोवा चलेंगे, एंड बाय द टाइम द ट्रिप हैपेंड इट वाज जस्ट मी एंड माय फ्रेंड नीरू. बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स मम्मी ने परमिशन नहीं दी, बॉयफ्रेंड से झगड़ा हो गया, ऑफिस से छुट्टी नहीं मिली, यू नो द यूजुअल. And Niru and I arrived in Goa having done no research. In our defense, Goa is Narnia, right? Like it's a mythical place. Like हम गोवा के ख्वाब देखते हैं, कभी जाते थोड़ी हैं, और हम actually पहुंच गए. So we were like, what? Is this a dream? And recently Niru told me that she had thought Goa was a quaint beach town. That brings me to point number 2. Goa is not a quaint beach town, so please anticipate spending money in Goa for transportation. Okay? However, we were like, हमें तो पैसे खर्चने नहीं है, तो हम क्या करें? We started our budget travel with taking the cheapest option, which was a sleeper bus from Bombay to Goa. And that journey has so many twists and turns कि Hitchcock शर्मा जाए. I was motion sick the whole journey, and I was like disgusted that I'm going to throw up any minute. And Niru was also like, I'm going to throw up any minute, but not because of motion sickness, but because next to us was a honeymoon couple doing honeymoony things under a blanket. And Niru was like, ew, I'm sick, yaar, mujhe ghin aa rahi hai, chee. And also Niru could not stop looking. So, after a tumultuous journey, we arrive in Goa, and as a team, we are physically and mentally disgusted. And we're like, okay, let's put that behind us. We are in Goa. Woohoo! Let's get this trip started. Spoiler alert, अभी हमारी ट्रिप शुरू हुई नहीं है because our budget consciousness continues. Because we didn't want to kharcho any paise, Neeru had asked her dad for a favor, which was to arrange lodging for us. And when I say Neeru asked her dad, I want you to know that Neeru's dad is not a regular dad. Okay, he is some top shop government dad who I don't know if works for the government or is the government. I don't know what his job is. I don't even think Neeru knows what his job is. So anyway, dad arranges a place, a safe haven for us, जिसका address हमें नहीं दिया जाता है. A driver comes to pick us up, take us to an undisclosed location. Okay. And while we are in the car, this driver is giving me like ex raw, ex spy vibes. Okay. And Niru is playing dumb charades with me because she's like, I don't want him to know our plans. And I'm like, yeah, okay. And I'm thinking to myself, this guy doesn't care about the plans of two basic bitches, okay? There's pin drop silence in the car, and we arrive at our undisclosed location. And the driver asks us, would you need the car for the rest of the day? And then Niru speaks up and she's like, nahin, 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 thank you very much. We will manage by. And I'm looking at Niru and I'm like, yaar, Niru, why did you say no to the driver? Because, of course, this undisclosed location is not a beachfront property. It is in the heart of the Panjim city, in some back alleys, गली कूचे में वो एक जगह है जो Google Maps में भी नहीं दिखती है. Okay, and I'm like, यार यहाँ तो दूर दूर तक पानी नहीं दिख रहा है, हम बीच कैसे जाएंगे? And Niru is like, यार सानिया तो इतना बन मत. ओके, हम लोग पैदल चले जाएंगे, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट लेके चले जाएंगे. लाइक कम ऑन, लाइक डोंट बी अ प्रिंसेस. And that's how we go to the beach on public transport, which takes us 90 minutes and 3 bus changes. On this bus, our fellow riders are fishermen and fisherwomen who are coming back after selling their fish in the fish market, and with them is the fish that did not sell. So by the time we arrive, we are drenched in our own sweat because 90 minutes of public transport, bus ke dhakke, grime of public transport, and the smell of rotting fish. The concoction of these three things is the perfume that we are wearing when we arrive. And as soon as we see the water, we run towards it. Not because, yay, beach, let's hit it, but because we are smelling. And I wish मुझे वहाँ एक साबुन की बट्टी मिल जाती तो मैं वहीं नहा लेती. So we do a Ganga Shnan in the beach, and we are like, after we've cooled down, we find a shack and we sit there. And we are just about to begin our Goa experience when Niru says that we have only 30 minutes to enjoy because we have to take the last bus back home. And I'm like, यार नीरू, ये बस से पीछा कब छूटेगा? मैं 24 घंटे से बस के धक्के खा रही हूँ यार. नीरू, please ask your dad for the car. Please, Neeru. She's like, वैसे तो I don't like to ask my dad for favors, but I'll make this exception and I'm going to call my dad. Thanks to that, we were able to stay on the beach and enjoy ourselves and go home at 11:30 in the night. We arrive at our undisclosed location, like super happy कि यार मजे आ गए यार, कल भी ऐसे ही करेंगे. And we're looking at each other and saying, तुम दरवाजा खोलो, which brings me to point number 3. Don't forget how doors work. So both of us had forgotten to carry the keys. The keys of the house were inside the house. And we are like, अब क्या करें? अब कर भी क्या सकते हैं, right? Like we have no skills. We can't break the door open or climb through the window or anything. क्या करेंगे हम लोग? So we have to call Niru's dad. pull in favor number 3. Niru calls her dad, and 20 minutes later, a senior officer arrives. This officer is pissed. He has been woken from slumber clearly because he is in his night suit pajama and he is walking towards us. Thap, 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 thap. And every step that he takes, हमारे पैरों तले जमीन खिसक रही है, लाइक हम लोग कप कपा रहे हैं, गिड़गिड़ा रहे हैं. And I don't know what this uncle's job was, but his intimidation tactics were on point. Okay, he had not uttered a single word, and I was ready to confess crimes that I had not committed. So uncle comes and Neeru is like, Uncle, humse ek misunderstanding ho gayi. And he is all like, ain't nobody got time for that. He opens the door and he looks at us and he says,
Don't forget the keys again, okay?
and we are almost dead. And then somehow we muster the courage to be like, yes, yes, uncle, nahi karenge, mother promise, uncle. And we go in and we are like, my God, yaar, uncle was too scary. अब हम लोग चाह भी नहीं भूलेंगे यार, कल चाह भी नहीं भूलेंगे. Which is when Neeru tells me, oh, by the way, हमें एक और अंकल से कल मिलने जाना है. एक अंकल से मिलने जाना है? Yup. That brings me to point number 4. There are no free lunches in life. Because Neeru had pulled so many favors, her dad had asked her to do one thing in return, which is we had to go meet a police uncle on Sunday for breakfast at 9 a.m. sharp. So on a Sunday, we wake up on our vacation, get ready to leave, and while we are getting out of the house, Niru and I have a conversation a minute too late, which is, तुमने चाबी रखी क्या? That's right. हमने चाबी नहीं रखी है फिर से. Okay, what are we going to do now? The option to call Niru's dad does not exist at this point. Not because we are embarrassed, but because if the uncle from last night shows up again, I am convinced that I will have a heart attack. और मुझे है अपनी जान प्यारी. So I'm like, नीरू देखो ये option तो है नहीं. अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग? My brilliant friend Niru comes up with a plan. She's like, don't worry, Sanya, like, don't worry about it at all. I am going to get the locks changed. Yes, you heard that right. Niru is going to get the locks changed of a government undisclosed location house. And I'm just sitting there thinking कि ये तो बच जाएगी. मेरे ऊपर आएगा इल्जाम, मैं ही जेल में सड़ूंगी. And I'm like, Niru, you can't do that. And she's like, what are we going to do? Huh? What are we going to do? How are we going to get it? What other options do you have? Huh? And I also have no options. So I'm like, theek hai yaar. So Niru is Googling locksmiths on her 2G data. And thank the Lord Jesus that it's Sunday and all the locksmiths are at church or are home relaxing like they should be. And Niru is pissed. Like she's like, how dare they? How dare they not be available? Like Goa mein to koi kaam hi nahi karna chahta hai. And we now have to troubleshoot while we are on our way to police uncle's house. So we arrive at police uncle's house to be like, hello, namaste uncle, kaise hain aap? And police uncle is baffled that 2 girls have come to Goa without their families. And he's like,
आप लोग करेंगे क्या?
police uncle has been recently transferred from Delhi and Goa crime ain't cutting it for him. So he is really free and itching for a case to solve. And he's like,
गोवा लोग क्यों आते हैं? यहाँ कुछ करने कोई नहीं है और आप दो लड़कियां क्या करेंगे?
he's so concerned. And we are just sitting there. And he calls a driver and he says,
मैं आपके ड्राइवर को ब्रीफ करता हूँ.
and he gives the briefing, which is,
इनको आप पंजिम चर्च ले जाइए.
Uncle recommends us to climb the steps of the Panjim Church, the famous Church of Immaculate Conception, which has numerous steps. He says, you all climb the steps twice to pass time in Goa because what else will you do? And he's briefing the driver that do that and bring them back by 2 p.m. to their undisclosed location. And we are sitting there because what else can we do? Huh? Like we'll argue with the police. So we are just like ready to go. कि नमस्ते uncle, अच्छा हम लोग चलते हैं. We will go do the steps. When I nudge Niru कि Niru चाबी के बारे में इनसे पूछो यार. And Niru like finally musters the courage and she does her abla nari persona and she's like, uncle, आपसे एक request थी. हम लोग ना चाबी भूल गए अंकल. हम लोग इतने stupid हैं अंकल. हम लोग चाबी भूल गए. और कल भी हमने यही किया था और एक बहुत बहुत स्कैरी अंकल आए थे और हम लोग बहुत डर गए थे अंकल. आप हमारी प्लीज हेल्प कर सकते हैं. And this police uncle is buying the abla nari angle of the story and he is like feeling very sympathetic and he's like,
Oh, beta, don't worry, don't worry. Before you all arrive back at 2 p.m. to your undisclosed location, I will have the keys ready for you. Don't you worry about that.
and we are like, yay, victorious, we'll have the keys. I've decided when I get the keys I'm going to wear it around my neck, necklace की तरह मैं उसको पहन के घूमूंगी अब. And I'm like, chalo, all our obligations are done, now we are free to do Goa stuff. And we are like, running towards the car. And then uncle stops us and he says,
देखिए बेटा, एक और बात कह देता हूँ आपसे. गोवा की ट्रिप्स जवानी में हमने भी बहुत की हैं. तो एक चीज याद रखिएगा, डोंट डू एनीथिंग इलीगल इन गोवा. ओके?
that brings me to point number 5, folks, which is, like uncle said it, don't do anything illegal in Goa because police uncle is looking for work and he's gonna come and catch you.
Sanya, this kissa further adds to the evidence that you're such a drama queen. Gar cheese over
Okay.
dramatic karti ho. So I couldn't react to this because I had a better idea. I wanted to contact the person who had lived experience of going on a trip with you. And so I went and got in touch with your friend Neeru and asked her what really
Ooh.
happened. Yeah. Sanya doesn't know this, but thanks to technology, Neeru's here.
Hi guys. Hi Anam. Hi Sanya. I can't believe our Goa story has been shared on a public podcast. And Sanya, you make it sound like you're such a voice of reason and rationale, No, that is not the case. She was equally lost and stupid as me. And in fact, she's the one who coaxed me into getting all these guest houses and all, sarkari places in Goa for the trip. She's like, chalte yaar, karwa le, talk to your dad. And jab things went wrong, she was no help. She was just giggling. Absolutely zero help. So, yeah. But we had a great time. Please do not think we are big losers. It was a very memorable, very fun trip. We put so little thought into it that is more ridiculous. कुछ सोचा ही नहीं बस let's just get there. So please do not judge us. For the hot take scale, I will pick Boltiwand for this because it was certainly a trip which had very bizarre set of issues and problems that you would not ever think of could happen on a Goa trip. Boltiband is my pick for this story. And also, please, Sanya, stop being so mean to Anam all the time. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Bye, guys.
All right. So first, thank you so much, Neeru, for coming on the show. बिकॉज ये तो बहुत ही कूल चीज़ मैंने सोची थी कि मैं किसी और को बुला के सानिया की पोल खोलूंगी और वही हुआ और इट इज़ वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग सानिया टू सी दैट
It
अदर
was
पीपल
to have another voice apart from you.
या और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि और ऐसे लोग आएं और सानिया की पोल खोले तो मुझे डीएम करिए मैं ज़रूर उस पर वर्क करूंगी मेरा वादा है
Yes, Annam lives for this.
Yes, I just need more evidence. So, Sanya, speaking about evidence, we are transitioning to my most favorite part of the show, which is Bowl Baby Bowl. today I'm not doing a Nina Gupta voice because डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि मेरे लिए ये हानिकारक है. But I'll just do it in my normal voice, which is not anything
Which
great,
we
but
love.
yes. So what best describes a typical Desi friends trip, Sanya? Are you ready? Because
Yes.
option A है plan for months and never happens. Option B है last minute chaos but somehow iconic. Numbers 3 hai rehashing the same 5 stories over and over again. And then number 4 hai endless food gossip and inside jokes. तो सानिया बताइए कि अब आपने जब अपनी सारी फ्रेंड्स की पोल खोल दी है और आपके फ्रेंड ने भी आपकी पोल खोल दी है, आप सोच समझ के जवाब दीजिएगा. या तो अपनी दोस्तों को वापस जीतिए या ये गेम जीतिए. इससे बड़ा क्लू मैं नहीं दे सकती.
You know, I'm going to change my strategy this time. Every time I choose what I would have chosen, which for me would be rehashing the same 5 stories. But this time I'm going with a new strategy because I'm like listening to what everyone around me is saying. And I think it's option A, planned for months, never happens.
Okay, Sanya, now there's another twist to the game, which I
What
forgot
do
to
you
tell you
mean?
about. Is not only do you have to decide what was the most voted option, but you also have to decide the least voted option
What the, what the hell?
to really
Okay.
understand the pulse of the audience. Yeah.
Least voted option would be endless food gossip and inside jokes.
तो बेसिकली आप कह रही हैं कि नो वन हैज अ गुड टाइम ऑन द ट्रिप. वाओ. मैं अब रिवील करने वाली हूँ रिजल्ट्स. तो सानिया, मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि आप आधी जीती और आधी हारी हैं. ये तो
What?
बेसिकली आप हारी हैं क्योंकि सही जवाब था वो कि यू आर राइट. 35.3% of people actually voted for plan for months and never happened. So you were right.
Woo! I
But when
won.
nope, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है क्योंकि मैंने आपको नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन दिया था कि व्हाट इज द लीस्ट वोटेड वोट एंड यू सेड endless food gossip and inside jokes. Sorry to say that was not the least voted. Actually 23.5% of the people actually have a good time on friends trip and have endless gossip.
Thanks to me.
And the least voted option was last minute chaos, but somehow iconic. You have very organized friends, so chaos is not something that they relate with. Again, Sanya, Adi Jeet, Adi Har. What do you
I
feel?
won. I won. This is my first win. This is was episode 5 on which I was playing this game and I have won. So if I win the next time, you and I are tied. Just an FYI.
ऐसे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं जैसे कि ग्लोबल ट्रॉफी है, but there's nothing but more polls to guess. So life is a lot of fun with being a podcast host.
On this sad note, Anam, I think we should close the episode.
That's a wrap on another episode of Bowl. Thank you for hanging out with us and being a part of our storytelling journey. We hope you had fun today. If you like what we do, come hang out with us on Instagram at brown.out.loud. Also, please leave us comments on YouTube, Spotify, or out on the universe, anywhere. We love to hear from all of you. Also, like, share, subscribe, and help a behan out. You can catch us on Apple, Spotify, Audible, YouTube, and JioSaavn. Just look for Brown Out Loud. Until next time, it's us, Anam and Sanya, signing off and keeping the stories alive. Adab! Sanya, khayali pulao bana rahi ho kya?
Yes, for my next trip. Adab. Bye.